down.
And that translates into crazy berserk mind going crazy.
Yeah.
He does not know what to do when the game lags. It is Jake in his natural habitat.
Let's see if it's in my song.
He's obsessed with things loading.
Whoa.
I will.